Again, what? Monomial. When I say monomial, it is a number like 9, or not and, a number or a number multiply variable like 9k, or a number multiply more than one variable like 9yf. One term, we call it what? Monomial. Not monomial, more than one term, like 2k plus 7. This is not monomial. But here you have how many monomials? 2 monomials. So if you have more than one term, it's not monomial. If you have one term, we call it monomial. Monomial can be a number alone, can be a number with one variable, can be a number with more than one variable. Huh? And the variable لحاله. ما هو when I say k t مثلا, it is 1t, a number 1 and t. So it's included with the definition. Else about these lessons, any questions? You should revise yesterday, right? اتفقنا؟ محمد؟
Yes, sir, in lesson number 6.
لا, 145 today, محمد. Sorry, 4, 5 and lesson 1.
Module number 6, yeah, lesson number 1.
Yeah.
The check about the rectangle.
Which page, ابني? Which page, which question?
284, example number 7.
Example number?
7.
Which page, yeah, mister? Which page?
284, example number 7.
طيب. Yeah, example number 7 said solve page 284. The example said solve -1/5 equal x minus 3/10. Here we have one step equation, right?
Yes.
And what we call it? We call it subtraction equation. We took 4 types of the equations: subtraction, addition, multiplication, and division, right? Here we have subtraction equation. This is the variable, and the -3/10 is what we call that. What we call this number? Connected number. And we said we shift the connected number to the other side always, to leave the variable alone, right? So here -1/3, I will shift it here. It will be what, ya Muhammad?
It will be positive 3/10.
Exactly. So here -1/5, and I will bring the -3/10 here. It will be plus 3 over what?
10.
10 equal x, right?
Yes.
So we need to find the result of these two fractions to find the value of x, right?
Yes.
Here we have two fractions. How we add them, you know?
Multiply by up and down.
Exactly.
And
Here times 2 times 2, right?
Yes.
So x equal -2 plus 3.
1/10.
Here -2, right? Plus 3, down 10, and up what?
1.
This is the variable.
Thank you, Mr.
Else about these lessons, any questions? Yes, yeah. What? 70. Page number 70. طب ركز. 270. What is it? The check. Now, in this check, we did it in details, remember? In this check, we have the we have this shape, right? The whole park. Inside it, we have what? The swimming pool, right? What they want us to find? This sidewalk, remember? So, how we find the area of the sidewalk? How we find the area of the sidewalk, the red one, the red part. Yusuf. How we will find the area of the red part? Add what? ما فيش add. ما فيش add. No adding. Yes, Ahmed. ولا multiplication. Then subtract the blue one, right? So ما فيش add. The whole area minus mean the blue one, right? The whole area minus the blue one. The whole area, I need its length and it is what? Width. Let's find the length and the width. This is how much here. Focus now. This is how much? 5. And here 15, right? If this 5, this should be what also? 5. So the whole length, how much? 25. But I want the whole width now, right? But how much is this? Other 5, right? And this one all 4x. If this 4x, this should be how much? Also 5, the same, right? So now the whole width, how much should be? 5 plus 5 plus 4, 4x, right? Right. 5 plus 5 plus 4x, how much? 5 plus 5 plus 4x, 10 plus مش 14x. Can we add them? No, they are unlike terms, right? Now I have the whole length, the whole width, and I have the length and the width of the blue part, right? Now the whole area, sorry, the red area equal the whole area, whole area minus the area of what? Of the swimming pool. Check. The whole area, it's linked by width. What's the whole area? 25 multiplied 10 plus 25 multiplied by 10 plus مش 4 multiply مش link multiply width. يلا 25 multiply 10 plus 4x minus the area of the swimming pool 15 multiply what? 4x. 15 multiplied by 4x. Now here simplify. 250 plus 100x, right? Minus 60x plus. Right? Equal. 250 ما فيش غيرها صح؟ Now 100x minus 60x. Done? Else. This is check page 270, right? The question The question in factored form. Yeah, sorry. The question wants us to find the answer in factored form. Let's remember the factored form. We find the GCF, right? Yalla, 40. It is 4 by 10, right? Which is 2 by 2, 2 by 5. So we have 2, 2, 2, 5, right? And the 250, it is 25 by what? 25, 5 by 5. With 10, 2 by 5, right? So here we have 5 and 2 common. Check. So the GCF is what? 10. ناخذ the GCF, don't forget that. 10 and divide. 40x divided by 10. 4x plus 250 divided by 10. This is the GCF and the factored form. Else, yes. What? Go. Else. Else. Right. For the online students. Yes, Badr.
Yes, Mister. I have this. I still didn't understand it. And
Which, yeah, Mister? Which one?
This the same one. The check.
Type. Else. We did it.
And yes, now this one. And I didn't understand. I don't know how to make the when it's fractions.
What?
Yeah, Mister, I don't know how to make it like question 5 in the homework page 271.
Good. Question 5, page 271.
Yes.
Simplify each expression. Write your answer in factored form. In question 5, we have 1 over 6. This is page 271, okay?
Yes.
1 over 6x plus 3 over 4 multiplied by half x minus
Minus
4. First step, we need to simplify. The factored form at the end we do it, right? Yeah, let's simplify here. What I need to do, yeah, mister? Right. We distribute the 1 over 4 here first. We get rid of the parentheses. So this is equal 1 over 6x plus 3 multiply 1 over 8. 3 over 8x. Then minus 3 multiply 4, 12. Divided by 4, 3. صح? This is equal. Now here we have x and here we have x. So I need to add these two fractions, right? 6 to 8
yes.
times 3 to make it 24, right? GCF 24. See here, I'll multiply them here by 4, by 4, by 3, by 3 to make them down what? 24. Now here 4 and here how much? 9. 9 with 4. 13 over yes, x minus 3. Now can we make factored form for this? No. طلع هذا النمبر طلع هذا النمبر. No factors, right? So this is the factored form, the final answer. Else?
Okay. No, nothing. Thank you, Mister.
Ahmed?
Only, Mister, only check
Ahmed?
diagram.
Yes, Mister. Mister, write and solve two-step equations. In this
Which
lesson,
lesson, Mister? Which lesson?
Oh, sorry, I didn't see it. Lesson.
We are in lesson 4, 5, and 1 in module 6. But continue. What do you want to say?
I want to ask you about it something. Mister, I don't know where to put the variable.
Okay. Now you need to watch the lesson today. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah, we have 2 videos for that lesson, right? You need to watch them today and ask me tomorrow about it. Else? else about these 3 lessons?
No, nothing. Sorry, Mister. I forgot to remove my hand. But Mister, I still didn't understand. I checked this one.
What?
I didn't understand this diagram.
Which example, Yabni?
This
one?
one. This one, Mister. Yes.
Mister, I have this whole area and have this swimming pool. They want us to find the red walkway, right?
Yes.
So this is 5, this is 15, this is 5. So the whole here is 25. And here the whole is 5 with 4x with 5. So the whole is what? Add them. Now, the whole area minus the area of the swimming pool. So see the video, this video again, so you understand it more, okay?
Okay.
Else? Huh? Here, else in the class? Yes. 56. Which question? The table shows we are on page 256, right? The table shows a baker's sales of sugar cookies and chocolate chip cookies sold in H hours. Okay, in H hours, they sold the sugar. How much in H hours? Here the cost. I don't want the cost. I want how the number sold. How many they sold? 6H minus 5 with chocolate chip. Right. Read the question now. After أيوة. After 15 hours يعني H how much? How many H? How much more did the bakery earn in sales of chocolate chip than mean in sales of sugar? How many more? What we do always, or how much more? We subtract. Check. صح? When I say I have 3 riyal, you have 10 riyal. How many more you have? 7, which is 10 minus 3. طب how much more chocolate than sugar? So chocolate minus. يلا, let's make also subtraction. Chocolate minus sugar. Chocolate minus ايش؟ الشوكليت كم؟ 10H plus 6 minus the sugar كم؟ 6H minus 5, right? Make subtraction. 10H minus 6H, 4H, 6 minus 5, 1. براحتك خلاص 1. لا 1. Now they said after how many hours? 15. So H is how much? Now replace H by, to know the number, the amount of money. Replace H by 15. صح? 4 by 15 plus 11. 4 by 15, 60 plus 11. تمام؟ To multiply it. How much more did the bakery earn? They want money means, right? So you need to multiply now. 1.5 هذا كم؟ 1.15 1.15 both, right? So here you multiply, sorry. Here you multiply 1.15 and here you multiply by what? Because the total money equals the number sold multiply the price of 1 term, بالشيك. So before you subtract, sorry, you need to what? redistribute, then subtract, then substitute h. Get it? This is the only different step. Done? Else. This is wrong, by the way. مش مكتوب. Else. Yeah? I'll write for you questions about these 3 lessons. So here, guys, just multiply, Omar, before you subtract. Then, after you find the final answer, you will have h. Replace h by 15. Fine. Now, I will write for you questions about these 3 lessons. So, you need to solve them. About lessons 4, 5, and 1. Yeah. Question 1. Find the GCF for part A 2m plus 18. They want the GCF. They want what? Not factor. What they want? بس بدي يعني احكي لي GCF equal كذا بس. اوكي؟ ما تخترعش. لا تفكر ما فيش لو. Read the question. Find بس بدي GCF. فما تلحن من عندك وتزود. مش عايز. Okay? يلا part B. For example, 25 xy plus 100 x. Question 2. Factor the following. اكتب لي questions first. Write the questions first before you solve. Factor the following expressions. Here I want to do what? Factoring. I want these expressions in factor 4 means you will find the GCF, then you factor. مش هيك? So part A 36x plus 24. Part B 100 minus 30 30. Y. C 4kn plus 18k. This is question 2. What? What? Simplified in factor? What do you want to simplify here? Simplify this, yalla. Simplify. Yeah, simplified in factor. This is a question 1, find the GCF. Question 2, find or factor the following expressions in these 3 sections. Yes. I don't know. I will let you. Question 3. شيل ايدك. solve the following equations. Question 3. Solve the following equations. A minus 12k equal 120. B Z plus 17 equal minus 3. C n over minus 3 equal minus 7. D 3 over 4 y equal minus 8. C or E, sorry. E M minus 13 equal 37. And F minus 14 equal minus 2L. Solve these questions. This is question 3. Solve the following equations. هذه السبن هذه الزد هيك ميزها. يعني انت كيف تكتب 7؟ بدي افهم بس. يعني فهمني. ال7 هيك بنكتبها احنا. Is this 7؟ بس سؤال بسيط سهل تافه. هاي 7. جاوبني. طلع علي ليش هربت؟ هاي 7 هاي. ليه بتحكي لي وين الزد وين؟ مش منطق يعني سؤالك. الله يسعدك. These we call them one-step equations, right? Now tomorrow we have two-step equations, right and solve, and the parentheses if you remember, the latest 3 lessons, okay? I will go back if you not finished copying. Stop. I will go one page back. If you not finished copying these questions, 4km here, minus 14 equal minus 2L. I want the value of L. This is a question 1. Find the greatest common factor. Part A, 2m plus 18. Part B, 25xy plus 100x. Then factor the following expression: 3x plus 24, 100 minus 30y, 4km plus 18k. Done? Done. Solve this question, guys, in the home. You need to solve these questions as exercise about your test. Now, question 3, solve the following equations. Negative 12k equal 120, z plus 17 equal negative 3, m divided by negative 3 equal negative 7, 3 over 4y equal negative 8, m minus 13 equal 37, and minus 14 equal minus 2l. These questions here in this part, it's about solving one-step equation, right? You have multiply, you divide, multiply, add, subtract, add. So that's all for today for the online. Thank you.